Hey guys, it's kittycornx here, and I got my fursuit refurbished. It's Kitty, refurbished by Studio. Yeah, so now I'll be unboxing it. And let's start with this part, obviously. Not showing my address because I don't want that to happen again. Also, this was refurbished by Studio on Instagram. He's also a really good friend of mine. There's so much gosh darn tape on here. You guys can fast forward this part if you want. Okay, I'm gonna rip this part now. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I've been wanting to change my fursuit size forever, and I didn't know how to do it. So I asked Larka for help, because she did a really good job on my other suit. I don't care that I'm showing my face, because I've done it before, so I'm not scared. I don't care if my ex makes fun of me at all. Oh my gosh. I got her open. Okay. This is what the inside looks like. I'm not gonna have paws and tail right now because I'm too lazy to put them on. And I just got home from a day of college. Oh my god, the wings. Oh yeah, she also made me a free set of wings as a gift. I think I also got a tongue as well, I'm not sure. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna open the wings first, because I think I know the rules to fursuit unboxing by now. Okay. Gonna cut this open with my special scissors. Also, I'll be putting a thumbnail on this, because I don't want my thumbnail on the face. Well, I don't want my face in the thumbnail. That would be kind of cringe. As a furry. Okay. Oh my gosh. The wings. Yo. Oh my god, they're so soft. Guys, Larka literally uses the best fur ever. And this is like supposed to match Kitty's pink fur. And it's so pretty. I'm gonna try it on at the end of the video. Okay. What else do we got in here? More bubble wrap. Damn, I have a whole bubble wrap collection now. I think I might wear my fursuit to school again. For Halloween this year. And I should definitely record that. Okay. We have the biggest part in here now. The big part. The most final review. I mean reveal. Not review. Larka doesn't need a review, she's a quality maker. High quality. And that's from me being honest. Whoa! Oh my gosh. The hair is so soft. Guys. Look. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's her. Look at her hair. She has actual layers now instead of just a blanket. Oh my god. And she has her bangs. Ooh. The lining. Goddamn, Larka. Oh yeah, we also had like a little pocket in here to like keep stuff, as in money or something. Oh my gosh, she's so soft. I cannot stop cutting it. Okay, now I'm gonna try to put her on. Oh yeah, she also has a zipper now too, which might be a bit hard to zip up. Ooh, I'm so pretty. Hello. It also smells good in here too. Look at this. I got bangs. I can also style her now because like she has lots of hair. So I can style her hair if I want to. Ooh. The black part is done really well. I can do a hair flip now. So girly pop. I'm so girly pop, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the wings. But first, I'm gonna zip up the zipper. Where is that damn zipper? Personally, I don't think I need to open the zipper because, like, this fursuit fits in really well. Okay, I'll just leave it open for now because I'm not showing the back. The hair covers it. Okay. You got the wings. The wings. They're gonna have to be adjusted. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but fursuit wings are like a cherry on top for me. But yeah. Adjust. Actually, I don't think they need to be adjusted. They're pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna stand up. Final reveal. Final reveal chat. What do we think? What are we thinking? Girly pop? Did I eat? Did I eat? Okay. But yeah, the eyes got a little makeover. I wanted to change the eyes, and also I got the nose changed too, because the nose when I went to conventions, the nose kept on falling off, so I had to refurb her. I could not deal with that nose any longer. Also, it is really hot in here, and my room is hot, so I don't have my fan right now. But yeah, you'll be seeing me at Vancouver this year. And yeah, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.